Good morning. Let us move to the next article. Common emitter connection of a transistor. Bipolar junction transistor. Circuit diagrams for common emitter connection of a bipolar junction transistor. Emitter held common to input and output NPN transistor. So this is common emitter connection for NPN transistor. Emitter is held, held common to input and output. emitter is held common to input and output. So this is common emitter connection for PNP transistor. In this case, input terminal is base. In this case also, input terminal is base. In this case, output terminal is collector. In this case also, output terminal is collector. VBE, positive of VBE connected to base, negative of VBE connected to emitter. VBE is always used for forward biasing of base emitter junction. In NPN transistor, base is P type, emitter is N type. To N type, negative voltage given. To P type, positive voltage given. And therefore, VBE forward biases base emitter junction. VCE, VBE, the battery providing voltage between base and emitter. VCE, the battery providing voltage between collector and emitter. Collector and emitter. Collector is of N type, voltage given to collector is positive. So collector is always connected in reverse bias. Base is connected in forward bias, FR biasing. The same thing is here. PNP transistor, base is of N type, negative potential is given to base. Emitter is of P type. So positive potential is given to the emitter by the battery VBE. So VBE forward biases base emitter junction of this PNP transistor in common emitter connection. It provides voltage between base and emitter. VCC minus plus VCE. This provides voltage between collector and emitter. Collector is of P type, PNP, and to P type negative potential is given. So collector is reverse biased, base is forward biased. Collector is reverse biased, base is forward biased. FR biasing is also used here. So this is common emitter connection for NPN transistor. This is common emitter connection for PNP transistor. Input is given between base and emitter. Output is taken between collector and emitter. Input is given between base and emitter, and output is taken between collector and emitter. This circuit diagram is for common base connection, common emitter connection of NPN transistor. This circuit diagram is for common emitter connection of PNP transistor. After having known the circuit diagrams drawn for common emitter connection of NPN transistor and PNP transistor in figure 1 and figure 2 respectively, now we have to go for the definition of current gain. We earlier made definition of current gain while talking about the common base connection of the transistor, and it is the ratio of output current to input current. What is output current? Collector current. What is input current? Base current. What is output current? Collector current. What is input current? Base current. It means that in both these connections, both connections are same. What is difference between these two circuit diagrams? Here NPN transistor is used, here PNP transistor is used. It is used in FR bias, it is also used in FR bias. Input junction, base emitter junction is forward biased, collector is reverse biased. Base emitter junction is forward biased, collector is reverse biased. So forward bias is used here, forward reverse bias is used here, forward reverse bias is used here. Forward reverse bias, FR bias. Because of FR biasing, the transistor can work very effectively. It will give us benefit because very small base current at the input will give us very large collector current at the output, and therefore this type of connection of the transistor is beneficial. Okay, now I am talking about the definition. As collector current is output current, base current is input current. For this and this connection, the current gain will be ratio of collector current to base current. Let me write this current gain in this connection as beta is equal to delta IC divided by delta IB, equation number 1. In case of common base connection, current gain was represented by alpha. In case of common emitter connection, current gain is represented by beta, and this beta is equal to delta IC by delta IB. And from this equation, we define the current gain beta of a transistor in common emitter connection is a ratio of change in collector current to change in base current, and the practical value of beta is large. It may be as small as 20, it may be as small as 20, and it may be as large as 500. It means that beta of a transistor in common emitter connection is lying between 20 to 500. Beta, current gain of a bipolar junction transistor in common emitter connection, is lying between 20 to 500, meaning that the output current, in this case collector current, is at the least 20 times more than the base current, at the most 500 times more than the base current. That is what meaning of the current gain. So current gain beta of a transistor in common emitter connection is ratio of change in collector current to change in base current, and it is very large. It may lie between the range 20 to 500. In this case, VCE will be held constant. When we find the current gain beta, VCE will be held constant. This equation actually written as this way, VCE. The same thing can be for alpha. When we write the current gain for the transistor in common base connection, it is ratio of change in collector current to change in emitter current when the voltage VCB is held constant. Here, the current gain of a transistor in common emitter connection is a ratio of change in collector current to change in base current when voltage VCE is held constant. This is about current gain of the transistor in common emitter connection here, and this is the current gain of the same transistor in common base connection. Okay, after having known the circuit diagrams for common emitter connection of NPN transistor and PNP transistor, and knowing the equation for current gain of the transistor in common emitter connection, equation 1 is true for this circuit as well as for this circuit. Let us try to get the expression for collector current. And you know how to get the expression for collector current. We know IC is equal to alpha IE plus IC BO. In general, collector current is always given by alpha IE plus IC BO. But we know value of IE is IC plus IB. Let us put this value here so that IC will be equal to alpha times IC plus IB plus IC BO. This is for the alpha times IC plus alpha times IB plus IC BO. This alpha times IC can be taken to this side. So this equation will be right. Then IC can be taken common. What left here is 1 minus alpha. RHS is this. Transfer this 1 minus alpha to this side to get IC is equal to alpha divided by 1 minus alpha into IB plus 1 divided by 1 minus alpha into ICBO. Let it write equation number 2. So IC is collector current, output current of the transistor in common emitter connection is IC is equal to alpha divided by 1 minus alpha into IB plus 1 divided by 1 minus alpha into ICBO. Alpha is current gain of the transistor in common base connection. Beta is current gain of the transistor in common emitter connection.